Tame the jungle in your backyard. Meet the safest, easiest chainsaw ever made. Why does yard work have to be so dangerous? Tree trimming and branch cutting are essential parts of yard maintenance, but traditional chainsaws can feel like wrestling a beast. They're bulky, dangerous, and prone to accidents. And let's not forget propping up branches just to avoid kickbacks. Isn't there a safer, more efficient way to handle this job? Enter the Worx 20-volt JawSaw cordless chainsaw power share, a tool designed to take the fear out of cutting while giving you professional results. With its fully enclosed bar and chain, this revolutionary chainsaw ensures you're protected every step of the way. A chainsaw that does the work without the worry. What sets the JawSaw apart is its game-changing safety features. Unlike traditional chainsaws, the blade retracts into the neck when idle, eliminating accidental exposure. The protective guard keeps you safe while cutting, even on the ground, no propping required. Its single-action cutting mechanism slices through branches up to 4 inches in diameter with ease. Worried about balance? At just 8 pounds, it's lightweight and ergonomically designed, making overhead cuts a breeze. This is chainsaw innovation at its finest, built for both peace of mind and power. More than just a tool, a time and money saver. Gone are the days of fumbling with cords or struggling to maintain the perfect chain tension. The JawSaw's auto tension system guarantees an optimized chain every time, while the auto oiler ensures the blade stays lubricated for smoother cuts and longer life. Plus, it's cordless, so you can move freely around your yard without tangles or frustration. With the Worx PowerShare battery system, you can power over 75 other tools, saving you cash on extra batteries. This isn't just a chainsaw, it's your ultimate yard care companion. Quality that outshines the rest. Durability matters, and the JawSaw delivers. Made with premium materials and backed by Worx's commitment to innovation, this tool is built to withstand tough jobs and last for years. Whether you're tackling thick branches, cleaning up storm debris, or maintaining your trees, the JawSaw's robust design ensures reliable performance. Customers rave about its smooth cutting action and how it holds up under heavy use. Compared to traditional chainsaws, this is a tool that combines safety, durability, and power, all in one compact, easy-to-use package. Why wait? Revolutionize your yard work today. The Worx 20-volt JawSaw cordless chainsaw isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in yard maintenance. Imagine a chainsaw so safe and easy to use that even novices can handle it with confidence. Say goodbye to expensive landscaping services and hello to a tool that empowers you to take charge of your yard. With its innovative features, superior design, and ability to handle tough jobs effortlessly, the JawSaw is worth every penny. Don't just dream of an easier way, grab the JawSaw and make it happen today. Your trees, and your back, will thank you.